Hi, I'm Dr. Rowena Winkler, Assistant Director for Graduate Student Career Development at UMBC's Career Center. We appreciate your interest in the Geographic Information Systems Program and Certificate, one of the Office of Professional Programs' outstanding master's degree and certificate offerings. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of geographers is projected to grow 3% from 2023 to 2033. And there are currently about 100 geographer jobs in the United States to choose from. To put things in a more relevant context, graduates from UMBC's Geographic Information Systems program specifically work at companies like Leidos, FEMA, and the Bureau of Land Management, working as Geographic Information Systems Analysts, Geospatial Analysts, and GIS Technicians. Alumni from this program typically graduate with 15 average years experience. They also earn an average salary of $92,397. We look forward to having you join us, whether it's as a master's student in the Geographic Information Systems graduate program or as a certificate student. We are excited to be a part of your career journey. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out to us at professionals@umbc.edu. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to connect with you.